the UK budget statement is made by the government in just about a week's time. And invariably, when a government makes a budget statement, that means that it's going to lay out its financial plans for the forthcoming year. It invariably means that the stock market reacts. Whether that goes up or down, it just depends on what's in that budget. The likelihood is that the stock market has already factored in what they're expecting this budget to be, and it's been suggested that there's going to be some corporation tax changes, some inheritance tax changes, some changes to company pensions, and it looks likely that the stock market has already budgeted all those changes in now, and there shouldn't be any big fluctuations on budget day or the day after. However, I am going to sit back and watch what happens. I've decided to not do any trades both in or out until that budget date. And what I expect to do, if the stock market has a bounce, and it might do, then I'm going to look to sell the stocks that I've got, or conversely, if the stock market takes dip, then I'm likely to buy into the stock market and buy some shares. Because what I like to do is buy my shares when they're at their lowest and wait until they come back up and then sell, rather than, if I can avoid it, buy when they're level and then fingers crossed hope they improve. So what I'll do, that's what I'm going to do. And now I'll go onto my computer and I'll give you a quick update on my account, what my trading account has been doing and what I have done in preparation for this budget day. Now we'll just jump on my computer and we'll have a look at where my account is and how I've prepared for the budget that's coming up next week. So currently I've only got 3 different companies left because I've sold all the others. I've sold everything off, and I've got Legal and General, which is £1.31 down, Primary Healthcare, which is £1.59 down, and Shell, which is £2.06 positive. So overall, my current portfolio is that I have invested £105 and my portfolio stands at £104.30. So in effect, I'm at minus 81 pence on my whole account, which is a bit sad, but that's just life. It's minus 92 now. So what did I do? How did I get to that position? Well, what I actually did was I sold my land security shares. I just made a very small profit on land securities. I sold my DRAX shares and made a nice profit, and that was about it. So I had, obviously I bought Shell then. So I've effectively sold my main 2 shares, and that's where I stand really. I have, obviously, as it says there, I just received a dividend from DRAX, which is quite nice. That's pushed up my value of my account up quite nicely. So how do I stand? Based on the fact that I originally invested £200, and every time a share goes positive £2, I then sell it and then accrue the gains. So my account now is currently standing at £318.05, and what that means, I have gained £118.05 on my initial £200 investment. And in fact, I could take my £200 out of this account now, and I'll still have a viable account that I can still trade with. So I'll get my money back, and I've still got more to go. So I have, I've left myself in this state where I've got £200 to invest, so that when the budget comes along and if the stocks fall, then I'm going to buy into some shares, and I'll buy into shares that are high dividend shares, because the dividend round of dividends coming in the next sort of 4 or 5 months. That's when dividends will start getting declared. So that's what I'm doing. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope this video has been helpful and informative, and it has. Why not hit the like button? And if you feel like it, why not subscribe to the channel? I'm hopeful that I'm going to be posting quite a few more of these videos in the coming days, weeks and months, and hopefully you can join along with me. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.